thought that the world was gonna end on Tuesday morning. What would everybody do? Yeah. And it's funny how the thought of that can make some things real important, and a lot of things seem pretty worthless too. But I'd be dancing like a fool, and I'd be laughing, I'd be crying, calling anybody who I ever hurt and reconciling. I'd call everyone I love to what I was scared to say to them. Now that I think about it, maybe I should always live like the world is gonna end. Live like the world's gonna end. I'd hit all my favorite restaurants, they'd be open for business. Would not care what people thought. I'd speak love to anybody who came close enough to listen. And if someone had done me wrong,
我好多謝你一路以嚟嘅體諒、愛護同埋忍耐。無論我哋將來會係喺啲乜嘢嘅環境、咩嘅地方，我都會一樣咁愛你，對你表示強烈嘅關愛、忠誠同埋善意嘅。謝許瑩啊，我覺得我已經都好愛你啦，你嫁俾我啦，好嗎？
I'd be laughing, I'd be crying, calling anybody who I ever hurt and reconciling. I'd call everyone I love to what I was scared to say to them. Now that I think about it, maybe I should always live like the world is gonna end. Oh, yeah. We spend most our lives and almost all our time on what we don't care about, what we could do without. And the tragedy is that we can't see it. We can't see it until time is running out. 'Cause I'd be dancing like a fool, I'd eat ice cream every morning, I'd call up everyone I love and drive them out to California, and we'd say the things